sir. I'm Christine Aranda Sambasigan, 40 years of age. I have three children, age 21, 18, and 8 years old. Uh, I've been working for Singapore for almost 10 years for one employer. Since my madam pregnant and she have three children, and I'm the one who look after them. Um, and now I am working here in Hong Kong for Chinese family. I look after for 7 years old son and 2 years old daughter. And then I'm going to finish contract this coming October 17, 2025. I prefer alone to work, and I prefer to look after the children or newborn baby as my children. Uh, 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 if you hired me as one of your helper, I just tell that I'm willing to serve my best as I can to serve your family. I'm willing to listen and follow the instruction from my employer. I'm humble, patient, and honest helper, and most especially, I'm hardworking. Thank you, ma'am and sir.